Hey everybody, here at our shop with Jerry, and Jerry is plugging away cleaning some cabinets. So this job is actually a little bit different. It's kind of small. I think it was 32 pieces total. 32? 40 pieces total. So this one, they're maple cabinets that have been stained and then they're clear coated. They want to paint them white. So they're trying to stay on a budget. So one way we were able to help them is because they wanted the doors to look like they were sprayed, and they didn't want to spend the money to have us spray everything. It was just what was in their budget. So we just kind of worked it out where we went there, picked up all the doors from them, and then we're gonna spray all the doors here, and then we'll take them back to their house, and then the customer is actually gonna paint all the boxes. So they're able to save not quite half, but almost half compared to what it would take normally. So it's just another way we can help you love the space you're in, so we can paint your doors, and then you want to paint the boxes yourselves, you can do that, save some money, still have a brand new kitchen that'll look awesome. Looking forward to seeing how we can help you guys love the space you're in with painted cabinets. If you got vanities, same thing, we can help out by spraying part of it out if you want to work something out. And then who knows, we've been having a couple people ask about learning to do it themselves and just use our tools, so that might be something in the works too. But if you got questions about painting your cabinets, cleaning them, getting ready for paint, let us know how we can help. You guys have a great day and God bless.